VLOOKUP is a massively powerful function that finds matches and returns information of the row where it has found these matches. Here's how to use it. Step 1, write equals VLOOKUP, parentheses. Step 2, specify what you want to look for in the first column of that range. Step 3, specify the range of interest, but remember that VLOOKUP will only look for values in the first column of this range. Step 4, when a match is found, specify which column of that same row that you want to be returned. Step 5, choose if the match should be exact, false, or approximate, true. Unless you have a very good reason not to, write false here. It usually makes the function work much better. Now I can explain how my example at the start of the video works. The functions to find the movie length and score are almost identical. Both look for the value which is in G2. Both use the range of B2 to E11. Both look for an exact match as noted by the false statement or 0 at the end of the function. The one difference, however, between these two functions are which column they return. For the length of the movie, the third column is returned, and for the score, the fourth column is returned, as these are the places where we can find that information. Now, if you want to learn more tips and tricks how to use Google Sheets, check out this playlist.